I am back. Welcome back, all my Reese's Pieces. If you are new to my channel, if you've just clicked onto my channel for the first time or my video for the first time, my name is Cherise, and I recently dubbed my subscribers my Reese's Pieces. It's an affectionate nickname for all of my subscribers and all of the new subscribers who are now joining my family. And oh my gosh, you have to excuse me because it is hot up in her. So if you see beads of sweat pouring off of me, that's why. Anyway, getting to the video, if you saw in the title, I cut my hair again. It's short again. Yes, it is. It is short. And for now, I have this little thingamabob on it. It's just, I don't know. I like it. But there's no major, intense explanation for why I did it. I just wanted to. It seems that every time my hair grows, I end up cutting it. I'm used to short hair. I like short hair. It's easier to maintain, and I just felt like doing it again. I'm fortunate that my hair grows quickly, and I think what helped my hair, because I cut it back in 2016, and by 2017 it was already to my shoulders, and I trimmed it every couple of months, like at ½ an inch, and that seemed to help, you know, clip off all the dead ends and just, you know, help the healthy hair start growing. So I just want to let you know, if you're afraid or hesitant, if you're transitioning or whatever it is, if you just want a little change of pace, don't be afraid to cut your hair because it will grow back. It's something that I notice a lot of girls are like terrified of doing. You might be afraid, oh my gosh, I'm going to look like a boy. I don't look feminine anymore. I don't know how short hair is going to look with my features, my head, my face. Don't be afraid. It's just hair. And I'm telling you, it's freeing and it's a whole lot easier to maintain. So anyway, that's why I did it. I'm encouraging anybody who wants to cut their hair, just do it. It will grow. And I think I I have a couple of clips of when I was first chopping my hair off, cutting it, did the first cut, which was just a few days ago. It hasn't even been a week, I don't think, since I cut my hair. But there are a few clips in there, and I thought I would just insert that into this video for you. But I just wanted to come on here and let you know my hair is different because I knew you would see a difference next time you saw me, and I just wanted to explain why I cut my hair, which, like I said, is just because I just wanted a change again. And I like short hair. And it'll grow again when I'm ready to let it grow. So I don't know how long I'm going to keep it short, but for now it's just been almost a week, and I think I have no choice. But anyway, that's my little update for you guys. And before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified of my videos. Thanks for all of my brand new subscribers. And anyway, that's it. Enjoy the little clips, and I will see you in the next video. Take care for now. Peace.